Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to acquire significant assets in Theme Park Tycoon 2. First, it's important to clarify that Big Iron is not a known item or resource within Theme Park Tycoon 2. This term is often associated with a different Roblox game called Pilgrimmed. For Theme Park Tycoon 2, we'll focus on strategies for obtaining valuable rides, expanding your park, and reaching major milestones to build an impressive attraction. To fund your grand vision, establishing a robust income stream is crucial. Start by building efficient money farms early in your park's development. Focus on popular, high-capacity rides and well-placed stalls to maximize guest spending and profits. Don't forget to complete daily missions and various achievements, as these often reward you with significant bonus cash and valuable credits. Consistently reinvesting these earnings will fuel your park's growth. Once you have a steady income, invest in major attractions to draw more guests. Unlock advanced roller coasters by achieving higher star ratings for your park. Prioritize rides with strong excitement and intensity ratings to keep visitors thrilled. Utilize the advanced editor to craft custom, detailed, and truly unique coaster designs. Thoughtful placement of these attractions will optimize guest flow and enhance your park's overall appeal. To truly make your park big, focus on expanding its physical footprint. Purchase all available park area expansions using your in-game money to unlock more building space. Consider acquiring the extra expansion plots Game Pass for even more land. Design diverse, themed zones throughout your park to boost guest satisfaction and overall value. Remember to continuously upgrade and maintain existing rides and scenery for lasting success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.